Hello, in this video I will clear another bed and plant it up. Let's have a look where it is on the plan of the allotment. It is the bed behind the roses. I've already cleared some of the worst of the weeds when I cleared the rose bed. This huge piece of perspex was buried deep down, about 10 centimeters down. And it took a while to get it out without sort of breaking up into little bits. And just to give you an idea, this is my garden fork, so you can see the size of it. Now if it was buried 10 centimeters down, I can't believe it could have been buried by accident, so what they were thinking of doing, just burying this, I don't know. Unfortunately, I didn't record anything when I planted the bed, but there is some footage of the finished bed later in this video. But first, some good news and some bad news. Well, it's the 25th of July and this is the first harvest from what I've planted on the allotment. So I've had a couple of broad beans before, but this is actually enough to count as one good meal. So it's a start, enough to get me motivated to keep going back and digging and planting stuff. They say it's going to be the hottest day of the year and we might get a record heat today, so I thought, well, I'll relieve the broad beans from some of the beans and then they won't be quite so stressed in the heat, trying to sort of keep the seed pods cool. So a little harvest. We've had 2 days of really hot weather and then 2 days of really torrential rain, so I haven't been down to the allotment for 4 days, and I've just got back and had a look around, and there's a few things that have been nibbled and ruined by pests. That potato has been completely stripped. I don't know if it'll recover, but whatever it was, it's completely stripped it. The pigeons have completely eaten the celeriac. That was not under the netting. The stuff that was protected is okay, but this stuff is ruined. And this netting got blown over, so the cabbage flies have gone in and laid some eggs on here. It doesn't really take long. Even 4 days is all it takes to for the buggers to get in. And something's been in and had a nibble of that. And something's been at the spinach. Hasn't eaten it, it's just dug a hole and thrown the actual spinach, dug it up and threw it over there. I assume it's a fox that's come in and smelt the well, I put fish blood and bone down there, so it's probably been after that, and it's dug the obviously didn't work that into the soil well enough, and it's gone in there and had a go at it. Right, this is the fifth bed on the left hand side, and it's mostly physalis with a few pumpkins, one single solitary sweet corn, which is all that survived of all the ones I planted. Very poor germination rate on the sweet corn this year. Got about half a dozen that germinated, and most of those didn't survive, so not very good. but the physalis has gone in and it's settled in well, as has the pumpkins, so we'll see. Well, that's another bed cleared and planted. In the next video I'll do a little bit more planting and reorganise a few things.